Very good morning to you. Thank you very much for being here on a Sunday morning. And I think you have to excuse me being a little underdressed because I see everyone in a suit and everything. And I honestly tell you, I don't want to compete with Arvind Kejriwal. I think we talk of organization and corporate. And I think one of the principles of any organization is that you remain in business for a long, long period of time. And I believe that one of the major stakeholders in any organization is the community in which you live and you work. And somehow, organization loses the sight of this very important aspect of being a stakeholder, community being a stakeholder. You concentrate on your people, you concentrate on your product, you concentrate on your customer and other stakeholders. But I think community is very important for long-term sustenance of an organization. Because I think we live in a world which is quite alive. And one sees a continuous evaluation of the organization which do not respond to a community need. The second important aspect I just want to leave behind is as an organization you can serve the best the community where you have the expertise. For example, we are basically a pharmaceutical healthcare organization. So our expertise is obviously in that field in healthcare. And this is mainly because that you have a knowledge, the know-how, understanding of the business you are in. And when you want to serve the community, you probably do a slightly better job of serving the community when you know what you are doing. You do it well, you do it efficiently, and probably you identify where you want to serve correctly. So I think our CSR activities primarily around healthcare. Obviously we deal with education also. Over the years we have developed many verticals. Before it had become compulsory, we have been involved for the last 7, 8, 10 years into the CSR activity. And one of the very important aspects is I have 3 children. One is obviously involved with me in pharmaceutical. My daughter is involved in a hospital. But one of my son, who is a Yale graduate for an MBA, wants to work for the community and he is full-time involved in the foundation. And I think as a family, I feel I'm privileged to have a son who wants to, for our size of organization, to spend time for community. So what he has done absolutely is a twofold approach. One approach is what we do ourselves in terms of we do it for example, mobile healthcare which we go to villages. Today we have more than 100. We go to villages which are inaccessible. About 2 million people are being served every week with a doctor and medicine. Now what we do is we do it ourselves, perfect a model, and offer to other corporate and involve them into doing the same thing, because many times you have the resources, you don't know how to do it well. So I think that is what we provide as a part of our CSR itself activity. Similarly, sometime back, we picked up a school in Thane district, Adiwadi school, and we started with e-learning about 4 or 5 years back. And what we observed, that the school children, it's the same school, same teachers, same students. They had a success rate at 10th standard about 40%. In 2 years, same school with the e-learning, they're so self-motivating, so energizing, that it produced 95% success rate. I think this is what a focused approach to education, whether it is literacy, whether it is skill building, can bring about a change. The other important aspect I thought I'd like to leave behind is that there is enormous focus on knowledge aspect. Our whole education is based on knowledge. I think we need to revisit this idea and center our education about learning. Because I think if we provide individuals, our children, learning skills, and I think that is all modern education is about, okay, your ability to learn yourself. And with so much internet available, so much electronic media available, if we can revisit our education, at least at the school level, to more of a learning, I think we will have far better and successful citizens.